you find yourself struggling to build a good habit or break a bad one, it is not because you have lost your ability to improve. It is often because you have not yet crossed the plateau of latent potential. Come Complaining about not achieving success despite working hard is like complaining about an ice cube not melting when you heated it from 25 to 31 degrees. Your work was not wasted, it is just being stalled. All the action happens at 32 degrees. When you finally break through the plateau of latent potential, people will call it an overnight success. The outside world only see the most dramatic event rather than all that precede it. But you know that it's the work you did long ago, when it seemed that you weren't making any progress, that makes the jump today possible. Lots of things from this passage, friend. First, you have not yet crossed. Yet का मीनिंग होता है अभी तक. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस में yet एडवर्ब यूज होता है. डिस्पाइट का मीनिंग होता है के बावजूद. इट इज़ जस्ट बीइंग स्टोर होता है कोई काम हो रहा है. इट इज़ बीइंग जस्ट स्टोर. इट इज़